Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe and subscribe to my channel, and let's enjoy this ride together. So today's video is a collaboration with my friend and colleague.
Hey guys, Chloe here.
So she's Chloe of Chloe's Makeover, and we did a video on her own channel, the blindfold makeup challenge. Please guys, when you're done with this video, quickly head over to her own channel to watch her own, or to watch our video of the blindfold makeup challenge, and also subscribe to her channel as well. But today, and on my channel, we're going to be doing the powder only makeup challenge. So we're going to be using basically powders to do makeup. So powders for brows, lipsticks, eyeshadows, blush, everything. So if you want to see how we achieve this look, please keep watching and don't go anywhere.
We can use brushes now.
Yes, we can use brushes, but no cream,
no liquid.
no liquids, just powders.
Never ever done that before. So I have this brow definer from Zaron Cosmetics that I'm going to use, and I'll use my angle brush to do that.
So I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, okay, not really all-time favorite, but this is Jordan. I've had this brow powder for like, I don't know, you don't want to know how long I've had it for.
It's not finished.
Imagine it's not finished. So I'm just going to quickly use this to outline my brows.
So I'm using the Zaron brow.
This one is looking ashy, people of God. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brows with a light powder shade in my Usher's powder palette. I think I'm going to use this shade here. If it did not show, I'll go back in with my brow powder. She's so sick.
So to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using the Zaron Face Definer, this powder, this light powder here. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Now our powder is okay. There's a reason why we actually use cream and liquid.
Yes, now because you can't do just.
There are certain things you need cream and liquid for.
No.
Okay, let's wait for Niella.
I don't know. Hash lines where person will see for this thing.
Yeah, you know.
Imagine the powder giving hash lines. Okay, so for eyeshadow, we are done with brows. So we're going to be doing our eyeshadow now. I'm going to be using the lightest shade in my Usher's powder palette. I think this is the lightest shade here with a flat eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to be using this on my lid, and the darkest shade here is what I'm going to be using to transition as crease and also my outer crease.
Contour,
yeah.
I'll be using the blue powder, so I'll use the lighter one for my lid and the darker one for the outer corner of my eyes and to transition. And I'll start with,
I don't know, anyone. I'll just go with that as a spirit leads.
I'll start with the lid.
Okay, so I'm going to be using, let me borrow her Zaron eyebrow.
We are going to
define it. So we're going to be using the darkest shade in the Zaron eyebrow definer.
Yeah.
So I think
line
this is
eyes.
Just to line the eyes. Waterline. Okay, no waterline. I'm not going to do that. So under my eyes and on our lids. Okay, so I'm looking very witchy. So I think that's it for the eyes. Okay, for mascara, what are we going to do?
Because we cannot use liquid, I think we just use our
Pulley to
just brush up our brows.
Let's say mascara, brush up your lashes. Okay, so I'm looking very witchy. So I think that's it for the eyes. Okay, for mascara, what are we going to do?
Because we cannot use liquid, I think we just use our
pulley to
just brush up our brows.
Let's say mascara, brush up your lashes. Why must always like this?
I don't do that. I do not.
When you want to brush,
I do not.
Are you serious?
I don't.
I do it all.
I don't.
Like as if, is this where it is?
I do not do. I try not to do that ugly face. I don't do it. I keep a straight face when I'm applying my mascara. I've mastered the art.
I need to try that.
I do it. I just, you don't need to.
Yeah. You see the snare here. So I need to start doing rehearsals on that because I think this sums up for the entire eye.
Yeah.
So since I'm not going anywhere, I wanted to use my setting powder to act as a primer, but I am not going to waste my setting powder. No, sister, not today. So I'm just going to go right into my powder palette and take my own matching shade and apply with a powder brush. So I'm just going to buff this powder in since there's no foundation really. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline shade. The powder I switched to much later on my eyelid. So I'm going to be using this with this flat foundation brush and I'm going to apply it under my eye just to, I don't know, just bring more light. Yes, I think that's what will wake up my face. Let me just switch brush it. So it's not even
It can't be that bad. It won't be that bad.
My nose slimmer. Feels like my nose is
Why are you
fatter.
obsessed with your nose?
Let me look for something. Blush it is. I'm using the blush from Milani in the shade Bella Rosa.
And I'm going in with my Sleek Blush by 3 and I'll be taking this orange color here. Let me add some color to my cheeks.
For the lips, this is what I'm going to do. Just in case I end up using this blush for you in the future, please, I'm going to sanitize it. This is what I'm going to do.
Wow, ooh, nice. Ooh, I'm going to try that.
Ah!
Which color should I use?
Finito. This is like black lipstick.
Can you even use a brush to apply that?
Yes. Can do like an ombre.
You have time to do it.
We must slay now. What do you guys? I'm trying to look at your own face. I don't know. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this look?
Powder only.
How would I rate this?
2 out of 10.
You know. 2. So this is like a 2 out of 10.
I'm giving myself a 2 out of 10. What's this?
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this a fat thumbs up and don't forget to check out Chloe's makeover video on her own channel. I'm going to drop her link in my own description box below. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.